We believe that as one of the largest food and beverage companies in the world, it is our responsibility to preserve natural resources. We also believe that water, which is essential to our business, is the right of every human being. So we are committed to giving back to society more than we utilize. We took solid steps to do this, and in 2009, our Indian businesses reported a positive water balance. We did this by reducing our water debit, that is, the amount of water used within our operations on the one hand, and by increasing our water credit on the other. We gave back water by focusing on 3 areas: by recharging and replenishing water through sustainable initiatives in agriculture, through community water programs, and by in-plant recharge and harvesting. We began by taking stringent steps to cut down consumption of water in our operations, rigorously following the mantra of removing and reducing wasteful use of water and recycling and reusing wherever possible. We were able to cut down our consumption of water from 7 liters per liter of beverage in 2001 to 2.2 liters per liter of beverage in 2010.